Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the AEJ 49-pack screwdriver bit set. Boy, that's a mouthful. And 3 things you need to know. Thing to know number 1, this is made with high quality S2 steel material. So that's a fancy way of saying these bits are a little bit tougher than some of the other ones you may have come across. Thing to know number 2, there is a 1/4-inch extension bit holder that you see at the very top that will give you a little more room when you're using this with an electric or battery powered drill. You may not need it as much if you just got a regular handle to work with. Thing to number 3, this has got a variety of uses around the household where you work on your car if you do that, because it's got just about every bit you could reasonably think to encounter. It's got the security Torx bit, it's got the Phillips, it's got the straight blades, it's got the square bit, you name it, it's got it. So this is a handy kit to have. There's 4 different rubberized holders that will keep all the bits together. I'm going to try to keep mine in this plastic card if I can. If not, I'm going to find like a small Ziploc bag or something to keep it together, just because when you find a set like this, you want to make sure that you've got everything with you and keep it with you.